Good morning, everybody. Welcome. Well, we're just starting out. And Blues Queen, good morning. Wonder how choppy is gonna get tonight. Well, I think it's gonna be really choppy. really choppy. So I don't really expect too much from the London session, to be honest. But, you know, why is the camera so bright? Anyway, let's update the charts and look at this. This is Nasdaq, guys. This is absolutely nonsense how it looks like. Really. Just go to the 5-minute and look at this. Guys, look at this. It's like screaming like you should not trade this. But look at gold. Well, maybe we're gonna see something on gold, but on Nasdaq. Anyway, let's update the charts because, you know, let's just update the charts. Oh, totally forgot. Buleanox went back to 90%. I have to change that again. Buleanox is 90% off. I have to change the banner. I know I had it somewhere here. The Bule 90 banner. We're gonna go over these. All right. Rob, good morning. Yo, another slow session. Yeah, I think it's going to be most definitely the slowest session so far. Honestly, guys, I really think that this is going to be a short session for me too. I mean, let's watch this Nasdaq. And what you do with this? You can't do anything with this. Sopham, hey. Do you know about easy markets? I heard about them. Excuse me. I heard about them, but don't know too much. Peter, good morning. Guys, you don't believe it or not, I just woke up around about 12 minutes ago. 12 minutes, not even 15 minutes. I woke up from bed about 12 minutes ago because I had my alarm set up and I was so tired. I overslept. I was like, all right, I don't care. I want to sleep more. And I just woke up. I saw, oh my God, I'm gonna be starting in about 12 minutes. And I immediately run to my coffee. I pour some water on my face and everything. I didn't even brush my teeth, guys. You hear my voice. I'm still sleeping. I woke up like 13 minutes ago from bed. That's how tired I was, and I just saw the charts and I immediately knew, like, okay, this is nothing. This is absolutely nothing that you want to trade. Sorry, I've been loyal to Apex, but I'm considering getting MyFunded Futures. Yeah, MyFunded Futures, guys. All I can tell you, Blues Queen is they're great. You guys know I shill all these futures prop firms because commissions keep me alive here on YouTube because I'm not a profitable trader. But all I can tell you is MyFunded Futures is my favorite, and that's it. I'm not going to go into too much details, but maybe I'm going to hold a session where we talk about some perks and features about every of these prop firms, but it's personal preference for everyone. My personal favorite is MyFunded Futures, but that doesn't mean I don't like the other ones. I do like Buleanox. My best funded accounts right now are with Buleanox. I mean that doesn't mean that I don't like MyFunded. So you get it anyway. And by the way, TOPSTEP, after 6 months, guys, after 6 months, 7 emails, countless support tickets. After 6 months, and I do have to get the applause here. After 6 months, I have my custom code TOMSABO from Apex Trader. I have to give myself an applause for that. Yes. Anyway, you have to pass the time somehow, guys. Custom code TOMSABO finally works for Apex. That's it. So yeah, MyFundedFutures is good. Slim Trade E, what's going on? They have exactly 0 spread. Is it same in futures? Yeah, futures has very tight spreads. There's a very little spread, like 1 tick or 2 ticks, but it's nothing. Mamba Fox trades. Hey, I think it's better to go cycling. Yeah, most likely. Bank holiday today. I know, no. I'm most likely not gonna trade this. The only thing I'm looking at is gold. Maybe. I mean, guys, just look at the 5 minutes. Zoom it out a little bit. Do you guys really want to trade this? I think we should be better off if we do like a talk show, podcast or whatever, instead of trading this. Our best option, if we really want to push the button, if we are really eager to push the button and gamble, I'm just joking, of course, is maybe gold, maybe, but that's a big question mark. But I'm gonna line up my charts. I'm gonna update everything. So, and sorry about my voice, and maybe I'm a little bit crazy here, but I really woke up about 20 minutes ago. 20 minutes ago. I was still sleeping in bed. I overslept. Totally overslept. Watching, yeah, what? Let's watch a movie. Absolutely. Joaquin, by the way, thank you for being here, guys. So, is there a free copy trader for Ninja Trader? I think there is. Oh my god, there is a free copy trader, Bessie. I just don't know the name, but the other day, I mean, not, it was like a few weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, somebody posted it. Maybe I have it in my links somewhere. There is a free, but they say it has a lot of glitch with it. I think I saved it. No, I don't. I didn't save it. I'm sorry. I thought I saved it in my bookmarks. But there is a free one, but they said it has a lot of glitches. Apex gives you one for $100, I think. Ninja Replicanto is the most popular, but again, maybe somebody knows. I don't know. Yeah, the Quant Tower has a free one, Bessie. So if you have Rhythmic connection installed and you're connecting with Ninja through Rhythmic, then just use Quant Tower. It has a built-in free trade copier. I can show you. Copy trading. You see? Here are my copy traders set up, but you can easily set up a copy trader. So you just add new bot. You select which prop firm you want to, which prop firm, MyFundedFutures, which account you want to copy trade, you know, and so on and so forth. So the Buleanox copy trader is Buleanox. Guys, I'm still sleeping. The Quant Tower copy trader is the most easiest one, and it's free. It's free if you copy trade at the same prop firm. If you want to copy trade for multiple prop firms, you have to buy the $30 advanced features per month to be able to copy trade multiple ones. Yeah, look at NQ, guys. We're not gonna trade NQ. I hardly think that we're gonna trade anything today. So I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. The teacher is sick. You watch a movie with the yeah. Exactly. That's what used to happen. Aryub, hey, good morning. Would we see any movement? No, Aryub. No. As soon as I saw the chart, guys, this is the absolutely no-go. This is the no. This is no. This is not something you want to trade. I was just saying that maybe we have something on gold. I don't have EuroX, so I don't trade it. This is the German index. Look at the German index. Not too much volume as well. But no, there's nothing to trade. Nothing. You're welcome. So go with Quant Tower, Bessie. It's free. It's free. I use Quant Tower, so I may take the day off. Yeah, honestly, guys, the best thing you can do is take the day off. The MyFundedFuture has started the new starter account. It's actually gonna stay. No more activation fees. So MyFundedFuture is waving goodbye to activation fees forever. Is MyFundedFuture's daily hard breach? No, it's a soft breach. It's like at TOPSTEP. It's gonna be a soft breach. That's what I know because somebody asked it on Discord. It's a soft breach, but it's for example, it's very good on the if you breach it, like it's $1,100. Sorry, $1,200. So at TOPSTEP you have $1,000 daily loss limit on the starter. I mean, sorry, on the combine. Here on the starter, $1,200 soft breach. Now there's something though which is important, is the scaling plan. Now I know it could be frustrating to some of you guys, but don't get frustrated about the scaling plan. You start out with 1 mini or 10 micros. 1 mini or 10 micros. Above $1,000, it's 2 mini or 20 micros, and so on and so forth. The maximum is 3 mini and 30 micros. Guys, you don't need more than 2 mini and 20 micros. Trust me. Is plenty. Exactly, one is more. The maximum I go with on my funded accounts, guys, the maximum I go on my funded accounts is 1 mini. That's the max I go on my funded accounts. I go usually with 3, 4, 5 micros or 6 micros, whatever. The maximum, if I go crazy, is 1 mini. You don't need 3 minis. 2 is even much. So the only thing on the starter account that I got a few messages like, oh, but they have a scaling plan of 1 mini to 3 minis. First of all, you get above $1,000, you get 2 minis. Second of all, you don't need more than 1 mini anyway, especially not on the funded account. So it's way more than enough. Way more than enough. The micro mini conversion is good. So what are the activation fees even for? I always think that's a business perspective, the activation fee, guys. That's a business perspective, of course. It's not our thing, it's the prop firm's business. But you know, $76 with the discount code, $76. So not just talk about 80, $76 for a 50K account with no activation fee, and mostly with all the good benefits. So yes, there is a consistency rule, like 40% or something, 30 or 40%. Who cares? Right? You have the end of day trailing drawdown. You have a weekly payout policy if you want to go with weekly. Worst case scenario, you're gonna, I mean, what do you want? I mean, it's really a game changer, I think. Yes, it's not that cheap upfront. I get it. Absolutely, I get it. But it's still a good one. It's not $16. Yes, it's $76. Yes, I know. But, you know. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Blue Queen. Thank you so much for the support. What is the scaling plan? In TOPSTEP, I can have 15 contracts. How much in MyFundedFutures? 15 contracts you can have on the 150K account, but I can check for you real quick. I think I just posted it out. We're talking about this because there's nothing to do on Nasdaq. Look at Nasdaq. If you want to trade this, it's totally not gonna work out like that. Let me see. I have it somewhere here. Okay. Scaling. What was the question? Totally forgot. What's the scaling plan? Oh yeah. So here on the 150k account, you can have 9 minis. At TOPSTEP, you can have 15 minis. So you were talking about the 150k account. Subham. First of all, you don't need 15 minis. You don't even need 9 minis on the 150k account. The scaling plan is, and I have it somewhere here. I know I have it here. Oh, there you go. So here's the scaling plan. On the 150k accounts, you start out with 2 minis. Above $1,000, you go with 3 minis. Above $2,000, you go with 4 minis. Above $4,000, you go with 9 minis. So here's the scaling plan. It means like you have to make these profits in order to access these many contracts. That's all. Honestly, if I would go with 150, yeah, and by the way, a TOPSTEP on the funded account also puts you down to on the 150k funded account, you're starting with 3 minis at TOPSTEP. So I'm not saying it's a bad thing. It's more than enough anyway, but you're starting out with 3 minis. Hey Oskan, how you doing? Distribution, I don't know. I don't think there's going to be any major volume kicking in on Nasdaq this morning. That's the cheapest round because this is no activation fee. Yeah. 3-year plan. Hey, good to see you again. Good morning. I have 4 funded accounts and I can say your channel has helped me. Oh, thank you. Hey, thank you for the kind words. Thank you for the kind words. 3-year plan. I really appreciate that. Good luck with your accounts, by the way. Good luck. I'm building my own up as well. I mean, I'm going to show you my accounts, guys, in a moment, because you just can't trade this. The only thing we could be doing is maybe gold. I'm going to line up the chart details here because it's a naked chart, but the only thing we can maybe go with is gold. But on Nasdaq, look at this. It's nothing. The worst you can do now is push the button on Nasdaq. Would you consider long on gold moving down into the 15-minute fair value gap? Let's talk about it. Yeah, let's put a marker. I'm going to go back to the chat in just a second, guys. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm going to be... I mean, I don't know. Anyway, let's go over with this gold. Daily midnight open. I like to put on these markers just to see. I use these as guidance. Compass, previous day high, previous day low. There you go. So I always draw this up. Let's see the 15-minute chart on gold. Bullish order block here, just approaching the bullish order block. There is a fair value gap down there from yesterday. This gap has already been taken. Currently we're going through. It's a not too perfect bullish order block that we're approaching. There's a fair value gap down there. It's not that important. It's still way down there. This gap here, this 15-minute gap, has already been repriced fully. So it's not strong anymore. But yes, we're we're going through that gap currently. This is a bullish order block. Excuse me, guys, my voice is still not okay. I think it's gonna drop down into this order block here. What the hell? I don't know what I'm doing. So this here, and should be going lower on the upside. Now I see a little bit of something here on gold on the upside, and this is a fair value gap. Maybe this is what I'm not reading the chat currently, but I'm gonna get back to you guys. This is a 15-minute fair value gap. This might be the one you were thinking of. So yes, it's a good target. I would say if gold turns around, then then maybe we can see something, but first it might go down, take out the order block. That's all I see right now. My payout after making 100 for 5 days. Yes, MyFunded Futures payout after making 100 for 5 days. It doesn't have to be consecutive 5 days. And one thing, because they just came out with the details yesterday and I was sleeping, I don't know all the fine print yet. So I have to go through with all the fine print. But so you make 5 days above $100, that makes you be able to have a payout basically every week. So weekly payouts are possible, just as with TOPSTEP. So but I'm not sure if you need the 5 days above $100, or is there a minimum threshold, because it's still not clear to me yet. If you're above the threshold, then you know, can you automatically do your payout? I still have to check with them. Because yesterday evening they did not update their website with the details. It still had the old starter account. So I have to go and check out if they updated it or not. Also, yesterday they activated the new starter after or sometime around the PM session. And I was sleeping by then. I have to go over. I would consider going long, by the way, on gold on the small time frame, for maybe on the 1 minute, but no volume. And look at Nasdaq. You're welcome. Thank you. I'm the one. Thank you. 3-year plan. Is spreading futures same as comics now? Yeah, I mean it's very small. Subham, like basically almost nothing, just a few ticks. Yes, 1 or 2 ticks. I don't know, something like that. My 10K from Apex hit the bank, guys. Apex is paying out people. Congratulations, DM. $10,000 from Apex. Finally. Let's go, DM. Congratulations. $10,000 from Apex Trader. Guys, we always have people getting paid out, but we also have people getting denied. And I guess the answer should be somewhere in the trading style. But I'm working on 2 funded accounts with Apex right now. It's still a long way to go. I'm going to show you guys, but still a long way to go for me, because I've blown up recently 3 accounts, and I was absolutely devastated. Blah. Do you think Apex will have? Maybe. There's no email so far or communication about it, or anything on the Discord about that. MyFunded Futures sounds good, yeah. Is it for MyFunded Futures PA account? Yes, it is. MyFunded Futures really did a good job with the new starter account. No more activation fee, and that's a really big game changer, I think. Well, I don't know, but other prop firms should be considering. I mean, no, maybe not, because because I know for many people it may be better to have prop firms with cheaper upfront costs. For example, BuleNox. Right now they have the 90% sale until Sunday, so you can get an account for 90% off for like, how much is that? $17 or something like that, for the 50K account. So that is good because it's cheap upfront costs, right? And maybe that's something that people need. 0 Day J is here, the man of the hour. Let's hit an applause for 0 Day J. Hey man, how's it going? How's NQ? NQ is dead. I'm not gonna. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with NQ. I don't know what I'm gonna do with NQ. I don't think it's tradable. It's better to just leave it alone. The only thing I was looking is at gold. So I'm looking at gold a little bit, but Nasdaq is officially declared dead, guys. Maybe if you go down subatomic, you know, in the movie Ant-Man, if you go down subatomic for the 30-second chart, maybe you will find something. But we're ranging in 10 points. But maybe that's all you need. If you're a trader who goes for 3, 4, 5 points, then, you know, maybe, I don't know. I can't trade in this. But maybe in the 30-second chart or whatever. But yeah. I like watching paint dry, by the way. I had to pick up my wife and daughter. All right. From concert. All right. I haven't looked. NQ scalp sit. Yeah, this is actually good. If you're scalping for a few points here and there, you can get it. Good to see you, 0 Day J, by the way. I think it's better if you can go down to the 30-second and then maybe look for a few points. It's possible. I'm not saying it's not. But you know me, guys. I can't go for 2 or 3 points. At least maybe I could, but I'm a very, very, very bad scalper. I just can't scalp. I can't. I'm not good. Marcos, good morning. Good to see you. So the only thing maybe I'll be looking is gold, but I think this is gonna be basically the slowest London session and technically no New York session today. So I was asking myself too, I mean, what should we do? Should we hop on and do something? Because Nasdaq is just, you know, I mean, look at this. What's the range? Let me see. From 99 till it's 10 points range, most likely, if I don't count this, but it's an average 10 points range. It's I don't like that. Make thousands from them. Yeah, well, you can do that. Technically, it's possible. 4 or 5 points. I mean, I'm not saying you can't. Actually, I know quite a few traders are only, you know, you go down to subatomic as the Ant-Man, and you just, you know, go for these. I mean, let's look at this. Let's go over some trades. Here's your first scalp. You don't even have to go down to the 30-second. There you go. Boom. Enter at 400.50. You go 4 points here. Long. Boom. You go long here. Boom. Structure shift. Here again. Fair value gap. Here. You go short here. I would say you enter at 0425. It's a tight one. I don't know if stop loss would hit you here, but boom, you can go for a few points there. I'm not saying we would not find anything there. NQ is brutal. Might have to trade. Let's go. Probably a lot of stupid algo moves that don't make. Who knows? You know. Who knows? You know, if you like this, I mean, I'm not saying you like this, but if you like to go for those few points here and there, because that's all you need, absolutely right. I mean, why not? You can go and look for these entries. And this is just the 1 minute, so I'm not saying you won't find anything. I guess if I would go down to the 30 second, actually I can go down to the 30 second. Let's go down to the 30 second. What is this? I'm gonna go to micro Nasdaq. Let's go to the 30 second chart on Quant Hour. 30 second, whatever. Okay, this is the 30 second chart, guys. More opportunities, more gaps, that's true. But this is the 30 second chart. Look at that. I mean, I don't know, but if you have some indicators, maybe moving average, whatever, this is the 30 second. So here was the long that I showed you on the 1 minute here. That could have been a nice long, also on the 30 second. I don't know. Here was the second one, also good on the 30 second. Maybe with a bigger stop loss, I don't know. So yeah, you could find something, definitely. I can't place orders from my Apex account. I don't know what's going on. It's not working. Apex Rhythmic not. My Apex connection is good. This right here, this is an Apex account. This is an Apex account. Let me put a limit order here. All right. Buy stop. It's working. I can place orders. On my end, it's working. What could be the issue? Try to restart. If you have Quant Hour, try to disconnect and reconnect, or restart Quant Hour. That could be one thing you can do. Going back to the 5 minute here. Rhythmic is not working. And make sure to log out from Rhythmic Trader Pro and you know, restart Quant Hour or Ninja Trader. Sometimes that usually works for me. Look at gold. Okay, gold is melting like ice cream here. Where can it go? We don't know. Could be going lower. Some nice targets down there. So let's look at the big picture on gold. A little bit bigger. I think, yeah. There is an order block up there on gold. Look at that. That is a, it's not a beautiful one, but it's a 1 hour bearish order block. Let's give it a different color. 1 hour bearish order block. Bearish order block. 1 hour. Yeah, that's fine. 1 hour bearish order block. And here we go. That's why I'm gonna look for longs on gold. That's one of the reasons, not the only reason, but that's one of the reasons I might be looking for longs on gold. So I switched down to the 1 minute here. Let me put this a little bit here. And I'm not gonna be looking to go short. I'm gonna stay with the longs. And Nasdaq still unplugged. MoneyBD, hey, are you using the premium version of Quant Hour? No, I'm using the basic, or what's it called? Yeah, so the free. I have advanced features which is the which is for the multiple connection. So I'm able to connect to multiple prop firms and to copy trade between them. Yannick's, hey, can we trade on Nasdaq? I would say no, but I just also said that there are traders who like to trade on the 1 minute chart. I mean, this is the 1 minute if I zoom it out. And I just had the 30-second chart here on Quant Hour. This is a Quant Hour chart on 30 seconds. Is it? Yeah, it is. And this is the 30-second. What you can also do is maybe use the tick charts. So, for example, go with a 500 tick chart. If it loads in, I don't know. Okay, so this is a tick chart, 500. When there is no volume, you can go with a tick chart, but it's too much, the 500. So go with the 100. I don't know. It was so long ago I used tick charts. But look at that. How smooth it is, right? I can't speak, guys. I'm sorry. How smooth it is. When there is no volume, the tick charts are going to be helping you out when there is no volume in the market. You know, look at that. It looks much better. This was a long opportunity here. It was a perfect long. And although we saw some short opportunities on the 30-second chart, there was nothing here on the tick chart to go with. So it filters out some bad trades too. Look into the tick charts because on days like this, especially if you're scalping for a few points, this could be very helpful, the tick chart. Okay, just a minor advice. But yeah. Guys, I told you I am very, very bad in scalping. I'm super bad and I'm super anxious. And when I go to scalp, and I'm not good at it. Marco, how's it going? How's it going? Good morning. Good to see you. Serdar, gold has resistance. Yeah, we have at where? 62.8, 62.8. Yeah, it has. So let's just see if we have a displacement on gold. I like playing bounces and rejections off a couple of 1 minute. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, I know you. Yeah, I saw you trading on low time frame 0-day J, and I think you definitely have a feel for it, and it was good to see you making progress on your new accounts. Good job with the new 250K accounts. I saw that you made it, so that's awesome, man. Gold decides to go up. Yeah, maybe. This morning, gold definitely moves better than NQ, but you're long. Up 500. Marco is already killing it. Guys, Spygirl, greetings. Well, look at Nasdaq. I mean, you know me. I'm unable to trade this, but we were just talking about that. If you go down to the 1 minute 30 seconds, there might be. You might make it. I don't go well with it either. Yeah, usually trade 4 hour. Yeah, so that's another thing. 1 hour chart trading is also good. Maybe a little bit slow, so you might be having less trades in a week. But yeah, it was a great move. Oh yeah, Marcos was nailing it, guys. Couple of good ones, nice. Yeah, don't trade gold. If you have your system, I think 0-day J, you should be just sticking with the system and don't mix gold in there. Maybe dedicate a separate account for gold. That's what I would do. If some of you guys want to switch for gold and you never traded before, don't trade it on the same account that you trade your system. Have a new account for that or whatever, demo trade, whatever, but don't mess up everything on the same account that you were working on. So Marcus is long. Yeah. Marcus has diamond hands and has no fear. Fearless. Marcus is fearless. He just picks his levels and goes for it. So this is the 5 minute when I zoom it out. Anyway, I'm watching gold a little bit. It's not no structure shift yet. Nothing on the 3 minute. Nothing on the 5 minute. It has also a lot of gaps here. So I'm not gonna force anything, but we have a 15-minute gap. We have a 1 hour order block on gold. I'm looking for long position, but that's all. Yesterday, you know, guys, I was just waiting and waiting without a trade. There you go. Yeah, let's go 0 DJ. So this kind of environment could be good for scalpers. And again, check the tick charts. Where is it? For example, the 100 tick chart could be working out quite nicely. For example, here, if I look at my entry model, there was a, where is it? It was somewhere around here. Here is it. There is a fair value gap here on the 100 tick chart. Now it's acting as support. So just to support Marco's theory to go long, we should be going long. I'm sorry guys, I can't speak English today. Absolutely not. I almost overslept. I was still sleeping like 50 minutes ago, guys. I set the alarm up and then I was so tired I slept back. And then all of a sudden I opened my eyes. I saw that, oh my god, I wanted to stream. It's almost 10 minutes to stream and I haven't even had breakfast. Haven't brushed my teeth yet. The only thing I had time for is to get some coffee. At my time, it's 8:42 in the morning yet. So that happened to me last night. Yeah, there you go. If you dedicate yourself enough to your stream, you know, sometimes, you know, you get a little bit tired. And that happens. So look at that. It's a very good long opportunity here based on the tick chart. This is the 100 tick chart. Filtered out from the gaps and from the noise, whatever. We are still sitting on support. I'm not entering, but you know, if you're long, a very tight stop, I would put in for 4 points and I would go for another 4 points at least to the highs. There's a fair value gap up there. Actually, Marcos has a good position there. Not that I'm saying you should be trading it, but I know Marcos knows what to do. It was 1 a.m. dude. Yeah. 1 a.m. man. Dude, when you told me you're in Vegas, I said, Jesus, I want to go to Vegas sometime. I want to see that place. I have like a few friends who've been in Vegas. They said it's an awesome place. I have to visit there. And they said it was great. You know me, guys. I like a lot of movies and films and TV shows. I'm that kind of guy. And then I see a movie like a classic one, like Casino, with Joe Pesci and Robert De Niro. I always say like, oh man, or like some other classic ones in Vegas. I want to say like, dude, I want to visit Las Vegas. It's great at, yeah. I always say I want to go. It's on my bucket list, by the way. I told you guys I want to drive around the United States, and Las Vegas is definitely one of the destinations I want to visit. It's definitely on the list. Lots to do and see. Oh yeah, Spy Girl. Lots to do and see. Look at that. We're sitting still on this. Oh, look at that. Marcos, come on. Guys, Marcus is in a long. That's looking good. It should be going into maybe into the 410s. So that's what I'm saying. If you are a scalper and you know your position, you know your risk, you have a tight risk management, then you can go long on this one, or could have. You know, why not? Why not? I'm watching gold still. On the 3-minute, I don't want to jinx it, but I think there was a possible. I don't really trade on the 3-minute chart, but hey, it was a market structure shift on gold. Do I want to take it? For the stream, maybe on an evaluation account. I can take it on an evaluation account, right? I'm not going to touch the funded accounts today, that's for sure. No trade on the funded accounts for me. That's like a rule. Okay, I can take it on the on one of the evaluation accounts. Oh Jesus. Yeah, let's look at it. I might take it. Which account to take it on? I have multiple evaluation accounts to go with. Yeah, I just got it. All right. I'm gonna go have a pending order placed at 61.9. 61.9. All right. I have a pending order at 61.9 on gold, targeting the 15-minute fair value gap if it takes me into the trade. Market structure shift, fair value gap, optimal trade entry would be at least at on the 50% retracement level. Not too much liquidity sweep, I agree, but if it takes me in, I'll go with this long position. So limit order placed at 61.9. I'm gonna wait. Marcus needs action, yeah. You're traveling to Dallas in a week, nice. For the stream, exactly. Hashtag for the stream. I like that. Guys, this is for the stream. So I picked up one evaluation account from the list, and but today is a strict rule for me, not touching the funded accounts today. No funded accounts in this kind of environment. So let's wait. Sorry guys, I'm just having some text messages. I might have to take a phone call. Going down. Marcus, what's your entry? Heard Tom saying you had a lot of good entry. Yesterday Marcus was having good entries. I think he had a stop loss too, but eventually I think he ended in profit. I don't know, but back to this area here. Back to this area. Back to this area. Down. I'm still holding. This area is still holding. Anyway, look at gold. Gold is stopped. We have market open, not a big one, but London open in 10 minutes. So I think he made. Yeah, Marcus. Yesterday he was looking for short, but I think he made some profits. I think one trade went to stop maybe with Marcus, but overall he called out some other levels, went into profit. But anyway, he did good. He did good. So let's do the commercial, right? Buleanox is back to 90% until Sunday. Go check it out. MyFundedFutures launched a new starter account. Apex still having the good sale. Finally, guys, after 6 months, I have my customized code. So you can go with TOMSABO for Apex. Finally. I had like 7 emails with them and support tickets and whatever. Since I know the first email about the custom code I sent them in last November or December, and almost one email in almost every month since then. And yeah, for the same support ticket, and I sent new one. And finally I got the custom code TOMSABO for the new accounts, for the discounts. So I'm very happy. 6 months, yeah, 0 Day J. I saw that you got your custom code. Man, I'm not gonna go into my email list now, but I know I sent my first email for the custom code in like November or December, one of those two. It's more than 6 months. Actually, it's 7 months. Oh my god. And everybody was getting some. I saw new streamers like starting out with the custom code with Apex, and I was like, what? What? Well, it took you 2 months. But I saw a young guy started streaming with only a few subscribers, and it's not a problem. I mean, not that it matters, but he was having a custom code from Apex. I was like, what the hell? and anyway, better late than never, right? That's what they say. All right, look at this. So it's actually more than 7 months. All right, OTE. Gold is pushing. I might not gonna have my entry. I'm gonna move my entry level according to the retracement levels here. We still have a fair value gap here, which is all right. So yeah, at least I have it now. I'm buying gold blindly with the new 4-hour open. All right, Gerard, let's go. Cosmo, good to see you. How's it going? Hello, everyone. Is the expert account? Also, no, only as a starter, and it's 76 with the discount. $76 with the discount code. It's a special code. TOMSABO. TOMSABO. Bo. But the expert account also, you have a 5% discount on the experts too. So I think $156 for the expert account. Basically, the expert account gives you almost no rules in trading futures. So yeah. The rules for starter account is like there is a consistency rule, there is a scaling plan, which is not a big deal. There's a daily loss limit, $1,200, the daily loss limit. Overall, you have $2,500 max loss limit. End of day trailing stop, so I guess that's something everybody likes. And then that's it. There's a withdrawal cap, but only for the first 3 withdrawals, I think. Weekly payouts, though, if you want to go for the weekly payouts. I still haven't gone through the fine print because the major things they lined up yesterday, but they didn't update the website when they came out. Yes, I was sleeping, you know, guys. I'm in Europe. I was sleeping. I just woke up. I didn't go through all the fine print yet, but the major key points on the new starter: qualification for payouts, 5 winning days of $100, possibility of weekly payouts. So it doesn't have to be consecutive winning days. Just saying. Withdrawal limit up to $1,200 from each for each payout. It's the 50K. Just saying, it's the 50K. Up to $1,200 for each payout till 30 winning days for 60. Okay. So one payout maximum is $1,200 with the 50K account. Okay. If you want to get more, you can get the 150K or the 100K account. So that's why it's called starter plan, right? There is no such limits on the expert account. After first, but you know, guys, I'm perfectly fine with $1,200. I'm perfectly fine with $1,000. I'm actually aiming for the $1,000 with Buleanox as well. Max loss limit moves to, yeah, it's almost like a copycat a little bit to TOPSTEP. Live funding, oh yeah, if you get $6,000 payouts, and that's a good one here. $6,000 in payouts, you move to live account. You move to live account. Now that's a huge one. Make $6,000 and they put you in a live account. No activation fee, of course. The giveaway is gonna be most likely tomorrow. All right. But I actually got an email from MyFundedFutures from the partnerships department that they want to push the engagement for next week. Most likely they're going to do some advertising and everything. And I can actually show it to you, what they wrote me. So I don't know when to do it. They didn't say I can't. They just told me, let me show you partnerships. Partnerships. Okay. So they sent me the graphic images, and I'm not sure if you guys can see it completely. Oh yeah, here you go. So we recommend planning to run the giveaways starting next week to build up hype and ensure all full trading week engagement. That's what they said. So and they also said on Discord they want to do some advertising. So, but we can do it on Friday. They definitely doing some push to the starter account, which is great. I think there's nothing bad into it. This is MyFundedFutures, but we can do, you know what, we can do the giveaway if you guys want it. We can do it on Friday, tomorrow. I think today should be useless, you know, to do the giveaway, because most likely a lot of traders are not even here or not going to be here. How about we move the giveaway? We can do a poll, right? How do I do a poll? Let's do a poll. Should it be on Friday or Monday? Let's not consider today, all right? So let me read the chat. Does weekly payouts for evaluation accounts? For funded accounts, of course. Our best, sorry, which one? It's MyFundedFutures. The new starter account just rolled out. $76 with the discount, with no activation fee for the 50K accounts, and so on and so forth. Makes sense for next week. Yeah. Have you seen the vids about CEO? I saw some tweets about that, but I don't really dived into it. But hey, I think the internet just works like this, guys. This is social media and this is the internet. I think I also saw that, you know, the CEO of TopStep and the CEO of I don't want to really talk about that too much, but they are throwing stuff at each other, which is, I don't think the community needs that too much. But anyway, there were some things thrown at TopStep too. There were some things, everybody throws things on Apex as well. Everybody throws things, even for Buleanox. So social media is not good sometimes for this kind of business. And I'm not gonna take sides or comment on any of these CEOs or things. You know, we're here to make money. We're here to trade. We're here to focus on this. Anyway, I'm gonna move my limit order to 60.3. That's where I'm gonna move it. 60.3. Okay, I moved my limit order to 62.3 in case this goes down there. If you pass MyFundedFutures evaluation and make it to live account, CEO MyFundedFutures money hungry. I do make comments. Make comments. All right. Every prop wants. Yeah, just, you know, guys, prop firms are making a business. They're not here to babysit people. Good morning, Jorega Zoltan. Good morning. MyFundedFutures expert account is the best plan out there. Hats off, and that's it. If you are looking for the least amount of rules in futures prop firms, MyFundedFutures expert account is the one. I made a video about it. You can check it out. I'm talking about especially the expert account. The least amount of rules is with the MyFundedFutures expert account. Of course, the activation fee is built in the price. Yes. Only one rule, major rule, you know. Take a look at YouTube channel from Verified Trader Funding. He talks about Matt Leach's post in his bankruptcies. Very interesting. Yeah, I know about that. I know about that. Actually, I saw a post about that last year when they were doing MyFundedFX. I saw a post about that. And that's why I don't really want to get into this topic, because it's not my thing. Guys, I think there were some people in the history of business, with any kind of business, who went bankrupt before making a better business. Who knows? I'm not going to comment on it. If he was bankrupt, okay. So far, they are paying out traders. Let's hope it stays like that. And I'm hoping for Apex too. I'm hoping for TopStep too. I could say some things, but I won't. I'm hoping for all these prop firms that they're going to stay. I don't want any more prop firms to do some nasty stuff. It's not good for the industry. It's not good for anyone. And we're focusing on building funded accounts with all of them, which you see here. And I just don't want them to fail. That's it. I want them to continue doing business. They're not here to babysit the traders, guys, because I know it can blind the new traders, the new people who are just stepping into futures prop firms. Like, oh, this prop firm really wants me to succeed. In a certain way, yes. But don't forget, it's a business. It's for them to make money. And so let's continue, us as well, to succeed with trading. And I'm very happy that they're going. Let's go on with, and you know. The one major rule is don't trade news, MoneyVD. That's the major. They have a news trading restriction. That's the major news that you have to go. And one small detail, you have to push the funded account. You have to flip once every week. Once every week. Flip the funded accounts once every week, because if you don't, you can get denied for payout. There was a guy at MyFundedFutures who made a huge day, like $20,000 in a day. And he was not touching the account for 2 weeks. He was just waiting for the payout. And he didn't, but he almost got denied, and he made a video, but eventually he got paid out 60% on the dollar on the profit, because he was not flipping the accounts every week. But that's a small detail. The major thing is you cannot trade FOMC, NFP, CPI, and maybe the red folder news. There's a 4-minute window, 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. So 4-minute window, you have to be flat on the funded account. That's the major rule at the expert account. That's it. That is all. Also, of course, they can let you to add to your losing trades if DCAing is not your sole strategy. I know, I agree that many people make good money with DCAing. That's what they said. You can add to your losing positions as long as DCAing is not your sole strategy. Now, what this sentence means, don't ask me. That's what they said. You can add to it as long as this is not your sole strategy. Boom. There you go. I don't know what to make of it, but yeah, I'm waiting for my gold entry, by the way, guys. So TOPSTEP is definitely up there at the top. Established in 2012, I think. Can I pass MyFundedFutures future and pay after? There's no more activation fee, Cosmo. So you don't have to pay. Starter plan is not good at all. Don't buy starter plan. Yeah. Yeah, for some people it's definitely too many rules. I agree. It could be too much rules. It's actually not difficult to go by. Microscoping rule. You are forced to make... Oh, yeah. So, 5 points, 22 ticks on Nasdaq, or you will be flagged. If you only go for less than 5 points on Nasdaq, they said that it's not going to be automatically denied, but you're going to get an email or at least a warning from the support that please go for bigger targets. And even so, if you go for 5 points on Nasdaq, which is, I think, many scalpers are looking for 4 to 5 points, that's understandable. But first you get a warning, and even you get the warning when you like go with the maximum or the high contract size. That's what you have to look for and watch for. So yeah, sure. Hey, Viox. So for Apex, BuleNox and TOPSTEP is the winner. Yeah. Again, as I said, Serdar, it's personal preference for everyone. I'm gonna bring the sheet. TOPSTEP, can you do what you want? Yeah. At TOPSTEP, there is no restrictions so far. Oh, here it is. I can actually post a link for you guys. If you go to the community post, which I uploaded to, where is it? Hold on. Share. How do I share this? If you go to my community post, yesterday evening, for me it was evening, I posted the details. The same sheet, you can see it on my community post on the channel. So I posted it. You can check this out. Because we're watching gold right now, just go to my money video, go to my community tab, and you will see the picture there. Yeah, exactly, Joey. Exactly. Should be no restrictions. I know. I get it. Can I pass them? Yes, you can pass them in 1 day. Good question. With BuleNox, you can pass it in 1 day. And you just have to flip it for 4 days. I know it's a little bit stupid. I know. I might have to raise my limit here to maybe to 04. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it. I still have a limit order at 62.3. So I still have it. Just saying, guys. I still have my limit order. Risk to reward is still okay for this trade. I think I have my stop there. Almost got filled. Let me show you the chart. Oh yeah, here it is. I'm only risking like 87 bucks plus commission on this evaluation account. I didn't get filled yet, but here's the trade. 87 bucks plus commission. That's how much I risk for the stream. You know, hashtag for the stream. That is all. Nasdaq is officially dead. I mean, I can't trade this, but Marcos could be having the profit soon, slowly going up there. Yeah, flip for 4 days. Bessie says sell. Could be a sell. I'm not saying it won't. If I look at the 15-minute, it can definitely go under. For now, I'm still just, you know, waiting for this to get filled. I'm still not filled yet. Look at this. I'm very close, but maybe it's just gonna burst through like boom, and that's it. But again, I'm not trading this on the funded. I don't care. Crude oil. Expert is a great deal if you know what exactly, Serdar. Exactly. Spot on with that explanation. Is exactly expert account. If you know what you're doing, if you're confident in your abilities, then expert account is the one you should go with. CL. Oh wow, look at that. Look at crude oil. Wow. I would be careful buying here. This is an order block to the left. Look at this. And I think it can break this at 83. Nice round number at 83. Be careful, guys. If anything, I would be looking to go short. I would be looking to go short to take out the 83. That's just my gut feeling, but I would not be going long here, that's for sure. But it's just me. If you go long, it's your decision. I respect that. I respect it. You have a nice 500 order block below your entry. Oh yeah. If you're talking about gold, I think did I get filled with gold already? Okay, I got filled. 59.04 is my stop. Where is it? 59. 59.4. I got filled on the gold trade. Let me see. Take profit should be Maverick and the boys are flying again. Fighter jets all around the place. 68.3 would be my stop loss. 68.3. Yeah, so there's my stop loss, take profit. There's my take profit up there on gold. So this is the trade for now. Let's see, maybe we have something else going on too. Well, thank you, Dominic, but it's I'm not so confident in this one since it's pretty much bearish. The thing that I have some good targets up there is based on the higher time frames, but 15-minute fair value gap, 1 hour order block. Who knows? Maybe, just maybe, gold wants to continue being bullish after yesterday and go for those targets. So that was the reasoning behind all this. Can you move your stop to break even? It's not, yeah, you can, but I never really used to do that. But it's part of my risk management style. Sometimes I do it, yes, but I don't really do that. The 5-minute order block, let's check it. Did it go for it? I don't think. Well, this is the 5-minute gold here on futures. This is the order block. Boom. Starting right here. I'm gonna give a different color. It did go into the order block. The problem is it didn't go through. So it could just go through and break it. Let me give a different color. Too many colors here. So 5-minute bullish order block. Yeah, it didn't really go through. And that's why I don't really like this. I always anticipate that order blocks are meant to be broken, like in this case too. And that's why I'm really not too much certain about this trade. That's why I put my stop loss here as well. I'm not gonna wait until the end of the wick, because if it goes or trades below 50% of this wick, then obviously it's gonna go through and take out the order block. Yes, I trade Nasdaq. Sorry, Adam. I was trading Nasdaq. I always trade Nasdaq, but today is a special day because this is Nasdaq on the 5-minute. Like, yes, there are some people who likes to scalp this. I can't. I just, you know, this is, no, I humbly and respectfully say that I just can't trade this. That's why I'm hopped into gold right now. Cut my stop to half. Maybe. I can tighten up my stop a little bit. I don't really want to cut it to half because I'm also looking at this wick here. So if I put another fib tool here, I would say that the 50% ratio, which is here at 60.2, what I could do is put my stop maybe a little bit closer there, because if it trades through that 60.2 level, chances are 99% that it's going to go through the whole wick, right? So that's why I put my stop here, but I can tighten it up a little bit, but Will, hey there. On MyFunded, how many starter accounts can you copy trade? You can copy trade 10 accounts, 10 evaluation accounts at MyFunded Futures. So you're good for 10. And you can have, for now, maybe they're going to change that. For now, 3 funded accounts plus 1 live account. For now, maybe they're going to have you, they're going to make you have 5, but for now, 3 funded accounts and 1 live accounts. 1 live account. So 10 evaluation accounts. You're welcome, Will. Everyone has off till Monday in USA. London session is dead too. Yeah, that's why I just hopped into gold here and see what's going on. I don't expect anything. I'm not trading on my funded accounts, guys. But, you know, as I showed you guys yesterday, let me show you again. This is very important. You guys have to watch it. Just give me a moment. This is a very, very, very important thing that you guys need to see. And we were talking about this yesterday. This. So, this is me if I can't trade. I'm not sure if some of you guys are the same, but this is exactly me. This is exactly me when I can't trade. So, holidays, weekends, stuff like that. So, so I don't want to be like this. That's why. And that's why I'm here. That's sad. Actually, that is sad actually, because I should be doing some fun stuff. Yeah. All right, not literally, but yeah. I do have my own plans in personal life. All right, let's see. If you pass 10, does the rest of still what if you pass what so I just got funded with Apex 50k PA accounts 2 days ago. I'm gonna go over the chat, just give me a moment. The accounts, there you go, and I traded it for the first day yesterday, so that's 1 day. Yes, out of 10 days. Yes, but since today is the holiday, will this day not violate my 10? No, I think today and tomorrow is gonna be 1 day, because there's gonna be no account resets at midnight. There's gonna be no violations or anything like that. It will not violate my I think I know what you're saying, but I think today is going to be counted as 1 day with tomorrow, because there's going to be no account resets at midnight. If you pass 10, does the rest sit in the wings? Yes, exactly will. Exactly will. So you can pass it and it's going to be on the shelf, and if you unfortunately blow up an account, they're just going to activate them for you. Yes. Same as in TOPSTEP. TOPSTEP also active. I mean, you can do more. They're going to put it to the sidelines, and it's going to be waiting for you to be activated if by some unfortunate reason you blow it. Yesterday, only count half day. Yes. Any more news with Apex? People get fined. Yes, people get their payouts. We had DM here, just received $10,000 from Apex. We have people almost, I mean, every week getting payouts. Also, we have people getting denied. So I guess it's really because of the trading style. Yeah. How they pay out the new starter account plan. I haven't gone into the fine print yet on the new starter account. There's a, I posted it on the community tab on my YouTube channel. If you go there, I have a picture from the sheet, but I haven't gone into the fine print. I think it's a little bit similar like at TOPSTEP. You have to make 5 days above $100. It doesn't have to be consecutive winning days, but 5 winning days above $100. So that makes it technically weekly payouts with the starter plan. At TOPSTEP, you have to make $200. But I have to go into the fine print because the website yesterday has not been updated, and I don't know if what's going on now, but I'm gonna read it. How about if I skip today date because it's holiday? Then no, it does not gonna violate that. You can skip today. Don't worry about that, Adam. You're gonna be fine. Absolutely. Don't worry about that, Adam. It's fine. I think it's gonna be closed. Is it, or is it gonna be open? Guys, I have no idea actually. NQ will be open or not? Because I don't know. Futures are not open for today, but I don't know if it's gonna be frozen or not. It's 1 day together with Friday. Yes, Jan, exactly like Jan says. Today is going to be counted together with Friday. You're allowed to flip, open, and close trade with no profits or loss. You can do that for 2 days. Okay. Do they pay out my some bad reviews? Of course they pay out, Subham. You will find bad reviews all over the place with every prop firm almost, I guess. I mean, mostly from the big ones, but they do pay out. Yeah. So I can just flip today and tomorrow. Yes, of course, Adam. Just, you know, flip with one micro or whatever. Just flip it and that's it. Yeah, golden rule. Let's go. We want a golden rule. Nasdaq is closed. Okay. Is the 20% TOPSTEP discount in addition to their own advertisement discount price? Yes. In Rottable, the 20% discount is for if you register for a new account, then your first purchase is going to have an additional discount, 20% from the current price and 50% discount from your first reset. That's currently what they're doing this since like years ago. This is their main thing. But yeah, for new registrations, if you already have one, then it's not gonna work. Thank you, Open Half Day. Yeah, never go for 2 payouts in a single month. Focus on getting 1 pay. Yeah, that's actually a good thing. What Dominic says. Everybody wants weekly payouts. I get it. We all want the money. I rarely see people anywhere on Discord, on social media, or in the ones that I know in person who makes it to weekly payouts on one single account. So with one account, if you want to go for weekly payouts, it's going to be super hard. Even 2 payouts a month. I was going for 2 payouts for a month with TOPSTEP, and I was having multiple funded accounts, and I managed to make 1 payout on each account in 1 month, and then hopped onto the another account. But you know, even making 2 payouts on 1 account a month is, I mean, not absolutely is possible because they're doing it, but it's, you know, 1 payout per month per account. So build up multiple accounts. That's what I would do. And that's what I'm working on. And that's it. I'm not going for the weekly payouts. I couldn't care less. I absolutely don't care about the weekly payouts. It just strikes me nothing. I don't care about the weekly payouts. If I get 1 payout on 1 account 1 month, that's good. That's moving on to the next one, and that's it. How does the scalping rules work for MyFunded with something like ES? In terms of ticks, I'm not sure. I think on ES you have to go for at least 2 points, 2 handles or more on ES. On Nasdaq, you have to go for more than 5 points if you're micro scalping. And there's nothing wrong. Sage said it on a Discord stream the other week that there's nothing wrong if you have a few trades on your account with less than 5 points. He specifically said there's nothing wrong with that because when you ask for a payout, they're going to check your account. And if they see a few trades here and there with less than 5 points on Nasdaq, but still you have a steady equity curve with a proper risk management, it's fine. You're going to be okay. But if you're always like 90% of the time going for less than 5 points on Nasdaq, and I think the same goes for ES too, like some kind of an algorithmic entry and stop and whatever, then that's going to be a red flag. And you're not going to get banned or anything, but you're going to get an email that, hey man, this is something you're not supposed to do, stuff like that. But if they see a few trades amongst in the big picture, like, okay, it's not going to be a problem as long as they see a steady equity curve with a proper risk management. That's it. So if you enter into a trade and you just decide to, oh no, that was a wrong decision, I close it, no problem, it's fine, you can continue, it's fine. So it's a little bit of a gray area, I know, but it's not that difficult to go by. And same goes for ES. You're welcome. Flipping. Nice, Adam. The rule there is to break you guys. Exactly, yeah. For the flipping days, you Don't need to make anything. You're allowed to make up to, yeah. If they're providing TradingView platform, how that works? Well, you just have to choose TradeAwait. You have to choose TradeAwait, and you can log in to TradingView from TradingView to TradeAwait. That's how simple. With your TradeAwait credentials, you can log in with TradingView. That's it. Trading Star, good to see you again. I listen to you most days. Great advice. Thank you for. Oh no, I'm the one who's thanking you, Will. And by the way, I see 60 people. Thank you guys. Please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna do giveaway on. I'm gonna do a poll right now. Let's vote. When should we do the giveaway, on Friday or Monday? But I don't know how to do the poll because you know me, guys. I'm a dinosaur. I don't know how these things work. Let's do a poll. How do I do that? We're gonna do giveaways, guys, so push the like and subscribe. How do I do the poll here? Engage with audience. Start a poll. There you go. Question: when we should do the giveaway? So when should we do the giveaway? All right. Option 1, Friday. Option 2, Monday. We're gonna add another option. Both of those days. There's gonna be 3 MyFundedFutures starter account for giveaway, guys. So 3 accounts. That's what I got the go-to for. From it's gonna be sponsored by MyFundedFutures. So 3 starter accounts. So we can do like 1 on Friday, 2 on Monday, or whatever, or we can do everything on Friday or everything on Monday. Both of those days. Okay. Okay. Enter. And start poll. Okay, you guys can vote, and we will decide. We will decide when to do it. All right. Oh, okay. Do I have to vote too? I don't have to vote, or do I? Anyway. Whatever. Now I don't see the chat. Anyway. They're providing TradeAwait and TradingView different. Really? I haven't known that. For now, they were just giving the TradeAwait credentials, and I just log in with my, because I have TradeAwait account with MyFundedFutures, and I can log in with TradingView. One day, just give it to me and keep it simple. All right, Will. Option 2. All right. So let's keep the vote open for a little bit more, and we'll see how you guys will decide. I can't see the chat because on my OBS, because just don't see it. It blocks out my view. I don't see the anyway. It's fine. It's fine. I'll try to read it on the browser. Beyond Tomorrow, hey, the $85 lifetime for Apex, does it apply for all the bigger accounts? Yes, exactly. Yes, all the big accounts, exactly Beyond Tomorrow. For the 150K, 250, 300, all the accounts have the $85 lifetime until the 15th of August. So there's some time to pass it. And that's a good thing to go with if you like to trade with big accounts. So I'm gonna wait for like 10 minutes or so or whatever to see how you guys want it to be done. And we'll do the giveaway according to that. The only thing that is required for the MyFundedFutures giveaway is to have a registration with MyFundedFutures, and the winner should be sending me their email address, and I'm going to be sending it to partnerships, and they're going to activate the account for you. So the only criteria is to have a MyFundedFutures registration. You can use my link to register or whatever, but they're going to activate it. So it's not going to be a cash prize. We're going to be doing cash prize giveaways next week. It's coming back. So that's why I say make sure to subscribe. We're going to do cash prize giveaways as I used to do every now and then. But yeah. All right. I'm still in this gold trade. Let's look at Nasdaq. Oh, it's still just in this range. I'm sorry to say this, guys, but this is for me. It's just not. I don't like this. I don't like this. For now. I'm still in the gold trade. I don't have too much high hopes for it, but you know, whatever. The problem is we have the order block down there, so it can just change the direction and go down. Oh, guys, it's so disturbing. I don't see the chat because of the poll, but I open up. Tom, what's the drawdown type on expert plan? End of day drawdown and no daily loss limit. So no daily loss limit on the expert plan. No consistency rule, no daily loss limit, end of day drawdown or trading drawdown, bi-weekly payouts, whatever. What else? I know there's something else. But I don't remember. I did a video about it. I'm still sleepy. Coffee is not working for me right now. Minimum days traded? Yeah, one. You just had no minimum days, Dominic. Thank you. 1 day technically. So you don't have to trade 10 days or 5 days or whatever on the expert account. 1 day, technically. That's a good thing, yeah. Do you have take profit eval too, Tom? Yes, I have one. But I don't have the funded account. And I'm a little bit struggling. Yeah, so on the expert account, there is 1 minimum trading day. But on the funded account, you have to flip the account once every. I mean, you have to trade once every week, and that's a small detail you have to pay attention to. You have to push the button once every week, so at least with 1 micro. Hey, I wrote the ball. The BuleNoX 50K account says 125. Is the 90% discount applied to this? For the option 1 accounts, it says 125. Really? That's what it says. Let me check it. Usually it's 175. Let me see. Account sign up. Option 1 accounts is 175. And if I look for the code, Oh, it says $21. How is that? Oh, no, sorry. Yeah, $17.50. $17.50, guys. Let me check the coupon code. Is it right? TOMSABO 1. TOMSABO 2 goes for the option 2 accounts. If you use TOMSABO 2, that's for option 2 accounts. Option 1 accounts has 90%. Yeah. Maybe you have to update some clicks on the website. It could be glitching out or something. But do you know, are we allowed to trade today on Take Profit Trader? Well, since the markets are going to be closed, I don't think. I don't think so. By the way, Take Profit Trader is the best for if you want to build up a funded account. You can use Take Profit Trader basically as a wallet, actually, because anytime you make profit, you can just withdraw it any single day. But there's a catch. There's a catch. If you withdraw less than $250 from Take Profit Trader, there's a $50 penalty. So if you withdraw $200 on a day, you're going to get $150. So make sure to withdraw always above $250 because that's the penalty fee. They're going to take it down from your payout. Otherwise, the fastest and the instant payout is Take Profit Trader. Every single day you can click. They're not going to ask anything. They're not going to do anything. At least that's what everybody's saying who got payouts. I didn't yet. You just click on it and it's going to be on your account instantly in a few hours max. That's it. Yeah. It's holiday today, yeah. So don't expect futures trading in the... So everything is going to be closed, not just Take Profit Trader. I guess most likely at 12 p.m. noon. So I don't even know if I'm going to be streaming in the New York session. I was talking with Methodical Man. Should be doing some kind of a talk show or podcast or whatever. I don't know. I mean, I said maybe I'll hop into his stream, but he has some stuff to do in the PM session anyway. But I don't know that if the New York AM session is going to be tradable at all. But I think it's not. Anyway, let's see the poll. We're going to close down the poll. Let's see how is it going. Third question, does MFF charge trade commissions for yes, there is commissions on evals. Yes, exactly. No problem. You can ask anything. Still very cheap, thanks. Half day, yeah. Yeah, it's cheap. It's cheap. Take Profit Trader also doesn't have activation fee. All right, let's close the poll. How do I do this? End the poll. Okay. So 42% says on Friday. 32% both of those days. And okay, so we're gonna do the giveaway on Friday New York session. That's settled, all right? So Friday New York session live on stream is going to be super simple. We're just going to use the Streamlabs bot to pick the winner, and make sure to have an email registered with MyFundedFutures, and they're going to activate the account for the winner. All right, that's it. So stay tuned for the Friday New York session. That's all. We're going to do it on Friday. And for next week, I'm going to do the cash giveaway, all right? So I'm going to do cash giveaway. Fast Track Trading, yes, I looked at it. I haven't opened up an account with them. I do have a discount link, of course, because, you know, guys, I'm a YouTuber. I'm shilling these prop firms, but somewhere down in, we have a discount link if you're looking for that. I looked into that. I don't really have a clear opinion right now. I know that Methodical Man and some other traders went for the instant funding. If you guys want to have an instant funded account, no evaluation phase or whatsoever, you can go with Fast Track Trading. I don't have particularly detailed opinion about that because I haven't opened up with them yet. Because I registered, everybody gets an affiliate link, you guys too, so I put it out there if you need a discount. But that's it. Yeah, tomorrow, Friday, New York session. This is the DT Zizinga. Sorry. Or DL. DL. Sorry, I can't read. I'm just not sure if we're gonna do it before the open. I'm gonna do it between 8 and 9:30, all right? Because there's nothing to do between 8 and 9:30 anyways. So we're gonna do it between, like, I usually start streaming the New York session at 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what I can tell you guys, you don't have to wait if you have other things to do. We're gonna do it between like 8:15 to 9:15, so we can concentrate on the market open, and that's it. Your gold trade is starting. Yeah, it started to move. It's still not over yet. Until it's not over, it's not over. Have you looked at fast? Yeah, that tomorrow. Yeah. So I'm just going over the questions. Talk more about this prop first. Take profit trader, you can pass in 1 day. Yeah, Adam. If you're not able to pass an eval every time, do not go to direct. Exactly, Erkan. Very, very good. Yes, if you're not confident, if you don't have your system ready, if you haven't been funded yet, or you're just starting out, do not, I repeat, do not go for instant funding. It's going to be a waste of money for you. 1000% that you're going to blow the account if you buy yourself into a funded account with fast track trading. Do not do it. You're going to blow the account. That's for sure. That's like 1,000,000% sure. If you have some experience and stuff like, then yes, but otherwise don't. I tell you that I love your entry already. I think you told me. Hidden risk manager. Oh, stop it, Dominic. I'm gonna blush here. How did they let you stay? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. No volume. No volume. And look at Nasdaq. Boom. That's why I switched to gold this morning. That's why I switched to gold. I'm actually gonna connect these orders in case I forget. It can still take me out, guys. It can still take me out. So it's not over until it's not over. I don't know. Should I move my stop? Guys, I'm not gonna do a poll, but I'm open for suggestions. Should I close some? All right, because it's a very low session, I'm gonna sell 2 contracts. All right, I sold 2 contracts, and I usually don't do this, but today is absolutely a no-go session. Let me see. All right, now it's a free trade. There you go. I don't consider this as a winner, by the way. I mean, for the stream stats, but I have to update that. Still made profit, but now we cannot lose, and we made profit. What is the discount? The code is TOMSABO, but Trader G, if you go down to the description of the stream, there is a link there. If you click on it, I think it gives you the discount automatically, but you can use TOMSABO, I think. I opened for buy now, I'm broke. What? Don't go broke. Can you take, you can, on gold now, yeah. Yeah, I closed down 2 contracts. So everything is on break even. I have a runner to 68.3. It has room to go, I think so too. But you know, because today is a very like unusual day, no volume, at least, you know, have that good feeling to book some some profits. Winner better than break even, I know. Capped withdrawals mean that there's a maximum withdrawal amount on the starter account you can do on one single withdrawal. After 60 days, there is no cap on the starter account to withdraw profits. So that's why on expert account, there is no withdrawal limit and there's no consistency rule. If you make $10,000 on a given day and you want to withdraw it, you can do that. So for BuleNox, after you pass the well, do you have to trade 5 days for payout? Yes. Yes, you have to. But I think it's not that bad. Scheiße, also it's absolutely manageable. How much before that? I think on the 50K account, because there's new rules on the new starter account. For the old starter account, it was like $2,000 per withdrawal. Now on the 50K account, because it's weekly payout, you can withdraw up to $1,200, so it's less. $1,200 is the max for one withdrawal. But you know, because it's weekly, you can request every week. I know it's, you know, there's some rules there, but that's why I said many times, like for me, if I reach $1,000 on any of my prop firms that I trade with, I just click on withdrawal. So I don't really care how much can I make. Furthermore, if I can withdraw $1,000 on any of my accounts, because, you know, I just take it out. I take it out, take it out. $1,000. One account, $1,000. The other account, another $1,000. Another $1,000. So it's fine for me. I just move on to the next one. But in my financial, do I have to pay every month, even after? No, just for the evaluation phase, Subham. If you pass the account, there is no more fees. No activation fees, no more monthly fees, no data fees, no nothing. You're done. You are on the funded account and no activation. How trading drawdown works? It's an end of day trading drawdown, not intraday. So Apex has the intraday trading drawdown for unrealized profits during the day. MyFundedFutures only has end of day trading drawdown. So your end of day balance is going to be, if it's higher than the previous day, is going to be your next day max loss level. And that's it. What's the activation fee? No activation fee. MyFundedFutures waived goodbye to all the activate. No more activation fee at any of the accounts at MyFundedFutures. No activation fee. It's built into the price. We can say that. Expert account has the activation fee built in. The new starter account has the activation fee built in. So no more activation fees. Nothing. Yeah, they have Rise is good. So I have done really well with Apex, but if you see profits, you take profits, no runners. But if you see profit, you have to take profit. Yeah, no runners. Exactly. Yeah, sounds good. I think so too. Money so. Anyway, stay tuned for the Friday giveaway, guys, and make sure to subscribe to the channel and push the like button. We're over 2,500 subscribers. I'm super happy about that. And if you would like to support the channel, you can use my links and codes. Thank you for that. And yeah, this is the trade that we took on look at Nasdaq. Respect to everybody who's scalping on the 30-second or on the 1 minute. I deeply respect you guys. I can't do it. I just can't. I can't trade this. But no troll. I really respect you guys who are scalping this. For example, here on the 1 minute, this is the 1 minute. This could have been a good entry. This liquidity void here. Right there. Market liquidity sweep. Even this one. Market structure shift. Boom. You're good for 4 points here. 4 points. Easy peasy. For a good scalper. Here. Here you have your 4 points on Nasdaq on a day like this on the 1 minute chart. I can't do it. It's easy to go back and watch it, of course, but I can't do it. I can't. I don't have the nerves to do that. I just don't. I'm too anxious for this kind of trading, but 150 contracts sitting at 55. Oh, that's not good. Oh yeah, below 400 every time. Nice, nice, nice. I'm still waiting for a good entry. I mean, on Nasdaq, but it's not gonna happen. Buleanox has option 1, option 2 accounts. If I get option 1, will the funded account be intraday? Yes, it's going to be intraday as well. Option 2 account, funded account will be end of day trailing. But don't forget, the option 2 accounts have a daily stop loss level, which is a soft breach, so it's not a hard breach. $1,100 on a 50K account. So just keep that in mind. If you guys want to check, it goes with the discount TOMSABO 2. Option 1 accounts go with TOMSABO 1. Option 2 with TOMSABO 2. But it has daily stop loss level. But yes, the funded account is going to have the same parameters. End of day trading. And option 1 is going to have intraday. So it's going to be the same like Apex. The option 1 is technically the same type of account like Apex does. So this is just getting option. Well, it's definitely more expensive. I don't even know how much is it right now. It's up to you. It's up to your trading style. I don't know what's the price of the option 2. Option 2 50K account is 175, and you get a 45% discount. So you get it for $96. Not the most attractive. So that's 96. If you want to go, then you should go with MyFundedFutures. It's cheaper than the option 2 accounts right now. But Buleanox, well, yeah, it's cheaper. And it has activation fees as well. So I'm sorry to say this, Buleanox, but with the activation fee, the option 2 accounts are not that attractive as MyFundedFutures right now. End of day daily drawdown is soft reach. Right, earlier it was. End of day daily drawdown is soft breach. Right, earlier it was hard breach. It's hard breach on Take Profit Trader, but on Buleanox it was always a soft breach, as far as I remember. It was always a soft breach. I know because I had option 2 accounts, and I got stopped down for the day. I could continue on the next day. So option 1, even after hitting the threshold profit, will still be intraday trailing for Apex after 600. Trading, no, DM. Also on Buleanox, if you hit the threshold, it's gonna lock in. It's the same DM, just like at Apex. If you hit your $2,600 profit on the funded account, option 1 at Buleanox, it's gonna lock in. It's not gonna trail. It stops at the same 50,100. Hey MC. MyFundedFutures. MyFundedFutures, it was always a soft breach. I mean, it's a soft reach in MyFundedFutures. Option 1, yeah. Oh, thank you, DM. Option 1 is exactly like the same as Apex. Everything technically. Quick phone call, guys, just a second. Look at gold. Yeah, I'm not trading the chop. Got my first payout approved from Apex. Nice. After 47 evals and 3 PAs. Hey, man, you deserve an applause. Congratulations, MC. Congratulations. It was a hard road, I see that, but, you know, hey, that is awesome. Let's see what's happening on Nasdaq. Still in the chop. Still in the chop, but, you know. So far, gold is going to the target. First pass on eval activation is then no more important. You will gladly pay it. Yeah. Yeah, well done. Congratulations there again. That is awesome. Great achievement. Waiting already 2 days for PA to be approved. But I'm already sweating. You don't have to, Lotsa. It's gonna be fine. Gonna be fine. Yeah, sure. Absolutely, Gerald. Absolutely. No, not yet, unfortunately. I blown up my funded account. I mean, sorry, from MyFundedFutures, yes, one payout, and then I blown up the account, and then the new ones are not ready yet. So I wanted to be really showing off to you guys with MyFundedFutures. I only got a small payout, $500, and then I blew the account. I was so stupid, and I'm going to show you my funded accounts that I'm sharing on my recap videos. Not everything, because I have multiple, but actually I can show you right now. A few, not all of them, but a few. Let me see. So my best profit-wise, the best funded account right now is with BULENOX. I have, this is a funded account, $2,246. I'm up on this account. This is one funded account with BULENOX. The other funded account is also looking good with BULENOX. It's a different $2,268 on my other funded account with BULENOX. So I'm working on slowly on these accounts. One more funded account. I am having one with Apex. It's a fresh one. I have $619 on this Apex account. And I have another Apex account which has 50K, so that has zero profit on it. But I'm not touching that. So this is the one that has profit. I have a TOPSTEP Express funded account that has $1,277. This account was up $2,500, and I lost a lot and went down to almost $1,000. I'm starting to build this up again. It is what it is, and the rest of them I'm working on, and I have one more BULENOX with 50K. I mean, it's I didn't touch it yet, and these are the ones. And I'm building up my MyFundedFutures evaluation accounts. So currently, what I'm gonna do, the recap video, hopefully when I reach the payout, is gonna be with these ones. I hope I will get there, but you know. Yeah. So I'm working on it. By my chart, gold has run its course and may pull all the way back below. Yeah, it could be going down. Trying TOPSTEP. How is it compared to Apex? Well, MC, everybody loves TOPSTEP. I think it's a great company. End of day trailing, so that's a good thing. The payout policy is good, but you have to make $200 for 5 days. It doesn't have to be consecutive trading days, but $200 on 5 winning days, and you can take out 50% of your profit. Otherwise, you can trade the news. So far, there's no restrictions. There's no consistency rule on the Express funded account, so it's good. I would say why not? And you can get a discount if you use the link. There's 20% off. So yeah. Do you copy trade or work? I work one by one. I work on them one by one separately. I blown up all my accounts in March this year. I was totally depressed, and then I was copy trading everything. Everything was copy traded. Huge mistake was my end, and these funded accounts I'm trading separately. And if I make $100 on any of these accounts, I move on to the next one. $100 on one funded account, going with the next one and trade on the next one. $100 on that one, or 150. Yesterday I made 200, and then move on to the next one. So finally, TOPSTEP mail arrived. Let's go, Maverick. Let's go. I know you had the issues there. I bought my MyFundedFutures Friday, and no activation came out on Monday. Do you know if there will be an activation fee? Was it an expert account, Sorel? If that was an expert account, there's no activation fee. But if it was a starter and you do not have the email, you should just ask support. They're 100%, they're gonna take care of you. Sorrel. Starter, okay. So just ask support. Today they're closed, so I don't know if they're gonna answer you, but maybe tomorrow. Or open a support ticket, they're gonna email you back, but maybe it's landed in the spam folder or in the trash. I don't know, but open a support. YouTube, there you go. So yeah, I don't copy trade. What's your favorite prop at the moment? My favorite is MyFundedFutures. Although I'm building the closest thing right now with Buleanox, and I do like Buleanox, but my favorite is MyFundedFutures. That's it. I said it out. This is my personal opinion. It doesn't mean that the rest of them is bad or anything. I think all these prop firms up there that I shill these prop firms. I think these are good. These are trustworthy. Even Apex, yes. I mean, come on, let's not go down to that road, because the other day, anyway, I'm not gonna go there. But I trust these. My favorite is MyFundedFutures. I hope soon I'll be able to prove to you guys that I can take finally a payout again on MyFundedFutures. And that's it. But again, it's personal preference. It's personal preference. Whichever you guys like. Whichever fits your personality of trading style. You know, for example, Blue Sky, which we have also a promo code down there in the description. Blue Sky specifically said in their advertisement that we are welcoming DCA traders. That's what they said. Yeah, give them a try. I mean, it's a fair price now, and also expert account gives you every benefit you need if you can afford to go with it, or you feel confident enough, of course. And don't forget, it's not $80 for the cheapest. There's still a 5% discount on both of the expert and the starter accounts if you use my code, or use anybody's, because if you don't want to use my code, it's fine. Just use somebody's code, because, you know, why not? Master Market FX. All right. If you have to choose only one, which one would it be? MyFundedFutures. That's it. If I would have to choose only one, it would be MyFundedFutures. Fast track sounds great if they are really exit proper. Yeah. How much is Blue Sky? Do they have discount? I don't know how much is Blue Sky right now. They always have a discount. That's why I said we have a code for it down there in the description. But they specifically said in their tweet someday, 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, that we welcome DCA traders. So, yeah. Why MyFundedFutures? I like the way they handle the accounts. I was how should I say this? I was listening to their Twitter spaces. I was in their Discord spaces or in their streams. I was listening to Matt and Sage talking. I was listening what their vision is for the future, how they want to treat good traders, how they want to get rid of gamblers, how they want to protect the company's money, which is of course from failed accounts mostly, how they want to benefit the good traders. I like the vision for once. I like the rules. It's funny to say this, but I like the rules. I like the micro mini conversion. I like the payout policy. I like how they handle business. Everything checks out. I also like TOPSTEP too. Don't get me wrong; they're still okay. It's my personal opinion only. So for the second place, I would put maybe TOPSTEP. Yeah, if you would ask what would be my second favorite, I would go with TOPSTEP maybe. But the way that I feel and I see what they do, I know everybody throws negative things all around in social media. I'm not gonna go into that. I'm not gonna comment on those. But the way that they want to build up the future of the company, I like that, and like the rules that they are putting on. Anyway, so what are your thoughts about Take Profit Trader? Is also good. The only thing that is a negative thing, and it's a big negative thing, but it's if you have proper risk management, you can go by it. Is the daily loss limit is a hard breach. So if you break your daily loss limit, you blown the account, and that actually restricts you. I mean, puts you into a little bit bigger stress throughout the day. But I do think that, for example, Take Profit Trader is a good prop firm to build up. So aim for a prop firm to have a funded account where you can pull out money every day, and that's Take Profit Trader. MyFundedFutures. Oh yeah, I just said it. Yeah, why MyFundedFutures? Hello there. If you have a pay activation fee, I'm Apex Trader. Yes, you have to. Right now it's $85 for the big accounts. I think for the 50K it's still the normal fee. I think the $85 activation fee lifetime is for the big accounts. For the smaller accounts like the 50K, it's $140 lifetime and $85 monthly. But yes, you have to. I like the dashboard. The support is also, yeah, support is great, dashboard is great, the trading environment is great. I think the vision is good. I like the rules. I don't care about the starter rules, and I mean it's good. How many contracts I trade for Nasdaq? I usually trade between 3 to 5 micros, and if I go crazy, I go with 1 mini, and that's it. That's the max. I'm a very small turtle trader. I don't go with 2 or 3 minis. I know, I don't care. This is my style. I go with micros. Which one is your number one firm? I just said it. Yeah, MyFundedFutures. Do you recommend buying a large account after passing 50K? Well, it depends on your trading style, you know. So it depends on your style. What are your results? How do you trade? What is your stop loss? What is your risk management style? What are your results so far? So yeah, it's up to you. I can't answer that question. I lost one Take Profit Trader Pro account daily loss limit. Oh, I shouldn't lose $1,100. Yeah, that's true. You shouldn't go down to $1,100. If you're down like $500 or $600 on a 50K account, that is a red flag that you should be stopping for the day and walk away. That's what I would do. Is trading platform completely free? Which platform do you use? It's free. I use QuantHour, and it's free. You can use TradeAwait, whatever, NinjaTrader. It's free. I use the paid version of QuantHour because I connect with multiple prop firms, but it's free. Platform is free. You get the data, everything. 10 to 10 TWIPs, TP, win rate 90%. There you go. There you go. Well, for 90% win ratio, you know, why not? If you have a win ratio of 90% with the risk reward of 1 to 3, Dude, you are printing money. You are printing money. Or is it a negative risk to reward? Sorry. If your risk is 3 times your take profit, then it's good. Then, hey, 90% is good. If you risk 3 times more, then it's... Guys, a negative risk to reward ratio can be still profitable. Don't get it mistaken. If your win ratio is high enough, then you can go with the negative risk to reward. It's not a big deal. I was misreading it. Best friendly firm is TOPSTEP. Last time they had 20k watching. Oh yeah, TOPSTEP TV is popular. Yeah. So on paper, if you make 4,600 and then go down to 53, is the yes, exactly. If you're up, yes, something like that. Something like that. Yeah, it's that's why every prop firm has different conditions, you know, different things to go by. You have to, you know, you have to adjust your trading style, or you have to choose the right one, which is good for you. What's up, Maxi? Good to see you. Took GC on the 5-minute trend line break. All right. Oh, you mean a short? I might not be happy about that. So I don't know about this trade, guys. It's getting slow. It's getting slower and slower. Long, all right. Let's say that Apex is my #1. Good price and easy. Yeah, there you go. There you go, Serdar. Yeah, USD bank holiday. Yeah, US bank holiday, guys. So careful. Careful. Yes, and NQ are stable. Yeah, nothing is moving. Look at NQ. ES. Jesus, ES is... Look at NQ. Maybe it's gonna spike down somewhere, but then what? What are you gonna do if it spikes in some direction? That's gonna be it. Gold is slowing down. Actually going against me right now, but yeah, what can we do? What can we do? GC is the only, yeah, GC is the only thing right now. That's why I took the trade here, but at least I closed some profits, but overall not that satisfied with the morning. I mean trading wise. Everybody's partying, we are the only one trading NQ. You know, that's actually a sad thing, you know, if we think about it, guys. That's actually a sad thing. Printing money. Your grass cutting neighbor might hear that. Oh yeah, that's true. Which account you have with Buleanox? Option 1 account. Your neighbors are having a party. All right. So how is it going in the US on a day like this? Everybody's out on the street partying, or everybody's in the garden, in the backyard, you know, grilling and eating hot dog and hamburgers or firecrackers. How is it going right now? I mean, or everybody's partying at the balcony or on the rooftops. I don't know. I really don't know, honestly. Is it like a celebration, like everybody's partying, or like politicians are rolling over the streets and making speeches, or what's going on? I'm guessing that US in the people in US are in the backyard and grilling something and drinking some beer, eating hot dogs and doing some firecrackers, whatever. I don't know, something like that. I'm just guessing this from movies. I don't know what's going on, really. My neighbors are okay. No garden and backyards. Backyards on the street. Sorry, in parks. I didn't know. I'm sorry. That's why I don't speak English well. Everyone getting drunk. All right. Okay. Families go out to the streets to pop fireworks. Local parks have fireworks. Oh, nice. All right. Pretty much. All right. So Buleanox option 1 has no trailing. Intraday trailing drawdown it has, but it locks in after the safety threshold. Everyone asleep now. Oh yeah, a lot of backyard barbecues. Hot outside. Tomorrow's the night. Okay. Party tonight. Okay, good to know. I didn't know how it goes. So everybody's partying. Okay. Inner city pure chaos. Oh, yeah. I just wanted to ask what happens in the in the inner city. So pure chaos, traffic jams, streets closed down. I guess something like that, right? And everybody's partying. Hey, that's a good thing, right? Independence Day. Shootings and fights. Come on, don't say that. Ugh. I hope not. You guys should be celebrating Independence Day. That's a celebration. Shootings and fights. Yeah, that's not good. Man. People in Los Angeles suburbs have crazy amounts of fireworks and go crazy. Oh, really? Wow, I didn't know that. Basically like the purge. Come on. Dude. I just visualized in front of me the movie The Purge. Oh. I mean, it's not funny actually, but no. Drunk fight and drivers. Oh. Oh. Or just painting America in a bad light. Yeah, don't do that. Barbecue, fireworks, guns, and beers. No. I heard that. How should I pronounce it? How is it? Because I don't know English that well. People in Texas are called Texans, right? Texans. People in Texas. So Texans or people in Texas carry a lot of guns, right? Somewhere I read an article that almost every people in Texas has a gun. In the state of Texas. Texans, all right. So almost every. So the Texans has a gun. So there was that movie, Hell or High Water. It's a great movie with Chris Pine and I don't know the other one who were robbing the banks in Texas. And they gone into a bigger city to rob a bank. And like every second people there had a gun. Everybody had a gun. I said, wow, is this really how it is in real life? Like everyone in Texas has a gun? And they said, yeah, everybody has a gun. Almost everyone. I honor those who fought for the freedom. Yeah, the military is celebrated. Yeah, exactly. That's true. Yeah, you honor those people who fought. Yeah. Down south, red states. Oh. So you better be careful because those people have guns. I mean, not saying it the wrong way because that it's like it's a thing there. So I understand. Can I link you a video of flyover in LA during the fall? Yeah, Maxi, just give me a second. I have to put you as an admin and you can link the video. Add as moderator, standard moderator. Yeah, now you're a mod. You can post a link if you want to. Which means not safe in Texas. No. Independently, but memory of jet fighter that crashed plane into alien ship. No, Peter. Is that real 40? Yes, exactly. That's a monthly fee. Yes. Take it away. What is this? July 4 fireworks.
July for the fireworks, a few different years, and it's always.
Oh wow, look at this, guys. Look at all this. Wow. Look at all this. Jesus. This is like what? 40-minute mark. Oof. Wow. Look at this. July 4th. Jesus. This is awesome. This is just awesome from this view. Wow. So 40-minute mark is where you live. Let's check it again. Let's check for Maxi for a second. This is where he lives. Everybody make a picture. This is where we go to visit Maxi. Awesome, man. Oh wow. Look at all this. Nice view there. I just click all over the place. Wow, look at this. This is beautiful. Los Angeles. Won't look so good once the sun rises, yeah. Anyway, it's a great video. Awesome. Oh no, my gold trade. My gold trade is melting away. My gold trade is melting away. Look at that. It's still valid though, but it's melting like ice cream. Komodo, the market is... Look at the market. Good morning, by the way. This is the market. What does this tell us? You're not trading this. This is Nasdaq. So I hopped into gold. Took partial, but it seems like it's melting down. Demod me. All right, I'll do that. I'll do that later. Don't worry, Maxi. I used to live there in San Fernando. Oh. Nice. Yeah, it's moving sideways. Guys, I think this is it, by the way. I don't know what's gonna happen with this gold trade, but I think I'm gonna cut the stream here because it's a free trade anyway, so I don't really care about this gold trade anymore. And there's no more thing to do. I mean, I like to chat with you guys, but that's it. I'll see if I come back in New York, maybe just for a small chat or whatever. But I think this is it for today for me. Thank you so much for all the chat and the good words and the support and everything. Please push the like, subscribe. We're gonna do the giveaway tomorrow in the New York session. My Funded Future starter account. Make sure to subscribe and like the stream. And also, if you would like to support the channel, use my codes and links. You guys are awesome. And hey there, Mr. Petty, and everybody. Thank you so much for everything. I'll be back maybe in New York. No promises though, because I don't know what the market's going to be. Worst case scenario, I'll be back in London session tomorrow. All right. So have a good day. Happy July 4th to everybody in the US and to everyone else too. Have a good day, everyone, and see you guys when I see you. All right. Take care, everybody.